everyone, I'm Jackie. I'm the registered dietitian working with Carlton Dining Services. Now I know it's a stressful time. You're staying late at the library, highlighting notes, you're cramming everything, going through all these study notes. It's hard to think about healthy eating during this time. But I'm here to provide you some tips about how you can include some easy, healthy habits during this stressful time. Tip number 1, decrease your caffeine consumption. So caffeine can actually increase your test anxiety and can prevent you from having a good night's sleep. You can find caffeine in different drinks, so of course coffee as well as black and green tea and energy drinks. So make sure to check the ingredients list. If you really like the coffee taste, you can actually ask for a half teacup coffee whenever you're getting your coffee. That way you're decreasing the caffeine amount. And then slowly decrease that and substitute it with herbal tea perhaps. Now if you're doing coffee just because of the effects, what you can do is actually eat a nutritious snack that will provide you with that energy. So this could be any nuts or seeds, trail mix that you make on your own with dried fruit, and you'll see that energy boost. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Now I know it's cold outside and we might forget to drink water because we're not feeling hot, but it's important to drink water. Your brain needs water. If you're studying a lot the whole time, your brain needs to stay hydrated. You might feel lightheaded or have headaches whenever you're not drinking enough water. So make sure to carry a reusable water bottle to fill it up around campus, and that's an easy way to remember that you need to drink water. Tip number 3, snack breaks are important. Make sure to add that as part of your study period that you're having throughout the day. So I know you want to get it done, you have that last chapter, you want to get it all done and through, but you need to take a break, especially to get that fuel to keep you going throughout. So healthy snacks that you can include are yogurt and fruits. If you're around campus, you can always come to the caf and have that for a snack. You can also include any of our whole grain cereals with milk or soy milk. You can also come and get some bean dips, so such as hummus with vegetables. Those are great healthy snacks that can keep you going throughout. If you want to know more tips, just check out our blog. The link is below.